Plug-and-play hot tubs are designed for easy setup and instant use, so no professional assistance is required. There are many products available to choose plug-and-play hot tubs, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best plug-and-play hot tubs from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Coleman Salispa Inflatable Hot Tub Spa. The Coleman Inflatable Hot Tub Spa is like a big warm bath with bubbles, great for hanging out with friends in your backyard. It's tough and lasts a long time. Setting it up is easy, and you can use buttons to make the water hot and bubbles strong. There's also a timer that helps save energy by changing the temperature for the next 3 days. You can move this portable hot tub around easily because it has handles. When you're done, let the air out and put it away without extra tools. The cover it comes with keeps it safe, warm, and clean. Jump into the comfort of the Coleman Salispa, where it's simple and super cozy, effortless setup and maintenance, durable PVC and I-beam construction, portable design with convenient lift handles, digital control panel for easy customization. Number 2. Bestway Salispa Miami Airjet Inflatable Hot Tub. The Bestway Portable Hot Tub is a small and light spa that's easy to set up and move around. It fits a bunch of people and has bubbles that make your muscles feel nice. To control it, there's a simple panel where you can change how hot the water is and control the bubbles without leaving the tub. There's also a timer to save power by setting the temperature beforehand. This hot tub is tough, made with strong material and a tough cover. Setting it up is easy, and you don't need extra tools. The pump that comes with it makes blowing it up and deflating it quick. And there's a cover to keep the water clean and the temperature steady. The freeze shield thing helps the inside parts not freeze when it's cold. Relax in the comfort of the Bestway Portable Hot Tub, enjoying its easy setup and care. Number 3. Bestway Salispa Hawaii Airjet 2 to 6 Person Square Inflatable Hot Tub. The Bestway Salispa offers a budget-friendly and dependable hot tub experience for relaxation. It's designed for 4 people, offering soothing bubbles for a comfortable feel. It heats up fast, and its lightweight design with handles makes it easy to move around. Quick setup and storage make it convenient. Adjusting water temperature and bubble intensity is simple with user-friendly buttons. The built-in timer helps save energy, and it includes features like a spot for chlorine and a cup holder. Durable and stable, the hot tub comes with a 1-year pump warranty and a 6-month liner warranty. It's advertised for 4 adults, but it's cozier for 2 or 3 people. It's great for anyone who wants a small and enjoyable hot tub experience. Number 4. Intex Purispa Plus 4-Person Inflatable 77 Round Outdoor Hot Tub Spa. The Intex Pure Spa Plus has cool features at a good price, so everyone can get it. It has lots of bubbles for up to 4 people, and there are comfy chairs with headrests. Even though it doesn't have strong bubble massages, it makes up for it with LED lights and filters. The control panel is rechargeable and lets you change the temperature, LED colors, and set a timer for heating. You can control it with the Intex smartphone app to manage heating times and check filters. The outside is tough, and the inside stays warm with foam. There's a filter to stop buildup, and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to heat up. It comes with a floating chlorine thing, a ground cloth, a bag, and a hose. Number 5. Life Smart Top 4-Person Plug. The Life Smart Plug and Play Hot Tub is a simple and affordable choice for a small group of people. It doesn't have as many bubbles and seats as others, but you still get cool lights and a handy control panel. With the control panel, you can change how strong the bubbles are, giving you some options even with fewer bubbles. It's a bit heavy for its size and takes a while to get really warm. Just plug it into a regular outlet and you're good to go. Even though it takes longer to warm up, it keeps the heat inside well because it's covered inside and out. You don't have to put it together since it comes ready to use. Because it's heavy, you might need some friends to help you put it where you want in your backyard. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.